cold.
Huh? Okay. All right, let's go.
How are you even able to ride? It's cold.
I didn't. This sweater is actually pretty good. All right. So I just had my. Huh? I just had my Flowmaster Super 10s put on. These are apparently the most aggressive sounding mufflers in the Flowmaster lineup, and I had to have them to see what they sounded like. So as you can see, oh, you can't see shit. Anyway, it's a real small muffler. It weighed about, God, it weighed about 5 pounds compared to this sucker. This was the muffler to in Invidia. Good God, this is heavy. An Invidia 300, Q300. So there that is. Oh shit! So that'll be up on eBay pretty soon. Anyway, I do a startup. How do you feel with the camera? Hey, Darren, you gotta be quiet, okay? So you can hear the exhaust. Actually, can you stand here? Stand there. Actually, you probably want to stand a little to the side. Just a little to the side. There you go. So the car's already pretty warm from the drive back from Meineke. So I'll do a couple revs on non-sport mode and then a couple revs on sport mode. And then I'll take the camera and show you what it sounds like from the inside when I start it, and then I'll go for a drive. Okay. Non-sport mode.
Sport mode. You're gonna go for a drive now?
I'll go for a drive.
Just over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go up and down the street.
Okay. His lights are bright.
There's Daddy.
Yeah. He's coming back.
What's that?
Hold on, Darren.
This is still going, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, actually, cut the camera. Okay, so this is what it sounds like inside when I start it. A lot of drone on the highway. Anytime you get on it, pretty much there's a drone. And it's actually extra drone in my cabin because there's absolutely no sound barrier. but I don't think it's bad. I like it. It was 60 bucks. I think it's money well spent. I'm happy with it. That's the sound I've been looking for. So just a detail about my exhaust system. I have a stock downpipe, an Invidia Invidia Q300. Hold on, dude. Invidia Q300 catback system with obviously now the muffler gone, and the resonator was also deleted. So again, there it is. Just can't really see it. It's kind of dark. Sorry about that. But just two. I mean, that is straight off the muffler. I'm not going to put on any tips or anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.